Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and go to the Wallpaper settings. Tap on the Add New Wallpaper option. Here, you can scroll through the available wallpapers and choose the one that you like. Tap on the Add option from the top right corner of your screen. Finally, tap on the Set as Wallpaper Pair option. And this is how you can change wallpaper on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.